Welcome to the exploration, where we dig beneath the surface to uncover the stories classrooms leave behind. Today we're embarking on an investigative journey through the gas giant planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These aren't just distant worlds, they're cosmic titans that shape our solar system and challenge our understanding of the universe. In school, you might have learned that Jupiter's the biggest planet, Saturn has rings, and Uranus and Neptune, they are far-off ice giants. But that's only the surface. What about the spacecraft that risked everything to reveal these worlds? The moons that might harbor life? The diamonds raining in alien skies at the exploration? We're asking, why don't schools tell the full story? I'm T'Challa Nguyen, and we're here to reveal the untold truths of the ice giants, from a probe's daring plunge into Saturn's clouds to storms bigger than Earth. This cosmic ride will keep you hooked from start to finish. Get ready to explore with the exploration. Our investigation begins with Saturn, a planet far more complex than its iconic rings. In 1999, NASA launched the Cassini-Huygens mission, a $3.4 billion gamble to explore Saturn up close. The exploration team has delved into the archives to uncover what made this mission a game-changer. Picture this: a spacecraft powered by 33 kilograms of radioactive plutonium, a substance so dangerous that a miscalculation could have exposed Earth to radiation, potentially causing 5,000 cancer deaths. NASA called it a one-in-a-million risk, but the stakes were high. Cassini used gravitational slingshots past Venus, Earth, and Jupiter to travel 7 billion kilometers, reaching Saturn in 2004. For 13 years, it orbited the planet, transforming our understanding of its rings, moons, and atmosphere. Cassini revealed Saturn's rings as a dynamic system of billions of ice and rock particles, from dust specks to house-sized chunks. It spotted propeller features, small moons carving wave-like ripples like boats cutting through water. The Huygens probe, built by the European Space Agency, landed on Titan in 2005, uncovering a moon with methane lakes, rivers, and a nitrogen atmosphere denser than Earth's. Imagine standing on Titan, where rain is methane, and the landscape feels like an alien swamp. Cassini also found geysers on Enceladus, spraying water and organic molecules from a subsurface ocean, making it a top candidate for microbial life. In 2017, the grand finale saw Cassini dive 22 times between Saturn and its rings, sampling the atmosphere, mapping the magnetic field, and capturing a hexagonal storm at the North Pole, a six-sided vortex larger than Earth. On September 15, 2017, Cassini burned up in Saturn's clouds to avoid contaminating its moons. Why isn't this saga in every classroom at the exploration? We see Cassini as more than a machine. It's a symbol of human courage. Engineers risked their careers, scientists pored over data for decades, and Cassini became our eyes in the cosmos. Schools teach Saturn has rings, but they miss the story of a mission that reshaped our view of the universe. Now the exploration turns to Jupiter, the solar system's heavyweight champion. Jupiter is so massive it could swallow 1,300 Earths, and its gravity nudges the sun itself, creating a cosmic dance around their shared center of mass. But here's what schools skip: Jupiter, why I'd be Earth's protector. Our investigation reveals its gravity acts like a cosmic vacuum, deflecting comets and asteroids that could threaten life on our planet. This isn't just a planet, it's a guardian. Jupiter's atmosphere is a turbulent masterpiece, the Great Red Spot. A storm twice Earth's size has raged for at least 300 years, its reddish hue possibly from UV light breaking down chemicals, though scientists still debate. Winds whip at 400 miles per hour, creating colorful cloud bands. Jupiter's 67 moons include the Galilean moons Io, with active volcanoes, Europa with a possible subsurface ocean, Ganymede larger than Mercury, and Callisto, a cratered relic. Europa's ocean makes it a prime target for alien life. Missions like Voyager, Galileo, and Juno, still orbiting today, have mapped Jupiter's magnetic field and auroras. The exploration uncovered a real-life story that brings Jupiter's role into focus. In 1990, comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 slammed into Jupiter, leaving scars bigger than Earth. Dr. Heidi Hamel, an astronomer we interviewed, described it as a cosmic car crash. Those impacts showed Jupiter's power to absorb threats. If that comet had hit Earth, it could have triggered an extinction event. Yet schoolbooks mention the Great Red Spot, not this life-saving role. Jupiter's scale humbles us, but Europa's ocean sparks hope. If life exists beyond Earth, it might be under Europa's ice. Schools reduce Jupiter to the biggest planet, but the exploration sees it as a symbol of possibility. Why not teach kids to dream of exploring Europa? Our investigation now takes us to the ice giants Uranus and Neptune, often the forgotten siblings of the gas giants. These distant cold worlds are less explored, but no less extraordinary. Uranus, with its methane-driven cyan glow, tilts so drastically it rolls on its side, creating 42-year seasons of continuous daylight or darkness. Neptune, discovered through mathematical predictions in 1846, boasts winds up to 1,500 miles per hour and storms that appear and vanish unpredictably. Both challenge our assumptions about distant worlds. Uranus's high pressures might turn methane into carbon-forming diamonds that rain through the mantle, a natural jewel factory. Its 27 moons, named after Shakespearean characters, orbit alongside faint dusty rings. Voyager 2's 1986 flyby gave us our only close-up data, showing a calm atmosphere, but brightening poles during solstices. Neptune's deep blue clouds churn with dark spots and high-altitude clouds. Unlike Jupiter's permanent Great Red Spot, Neptune's storms come and go. Its 14 moons include Triton, a captured world with nitrogen geysers, and its 5 faint rings are named after astronomers. Both planets may harbor liquid, diamond oceans, grounded in physics, but mind-boggling. The exploration dug into a real-life example from 1980. When Voyager 2 flew past Neptune, capturing a great dark spot. John Carter, a retired NASA engineer we spoke with, recalled, "We thought Neptune would be a frozen wasteland, but those storms were alive, like a planet refusing to be ignored." That reshaped our view of ice giants, yet textbooks call Neptune blue and cold. Uranus is reduced to its tilt or color. At the exploration, we're shining a light on these underdogs, asking why their stories, diamond rain, geysers, storms, aren't inspiring the next generation. Why do schools miss the mark on the gas giants? The exploration's investigation points to practicality. Curricula prioritize testable facts over inspiring stories. It's easier to quiz, how many moons does Jupiter have, than to dive into Cassini's grand finale or Neptune's storms. But this leaves out the human element, engineers who risked everything for Cassini, scientists puzzling over Uranus's tilt, dreamers wondering about life on Europa. Growing up, I loved space, but school made it feel like a checklist. The exploration's mission is to rediscover the wonder Cassini's images. Jupiter's shield, the ice giant's secrets. Imagine a classroom where kids debate Europa's potential for life or design their own Saturn probe. That's the education the exploration champions. The gas giants Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are more than planets. They're stories of courage, discovery, and possibility. Cassini's sacrifice showed us Saturn's soul, from rings to hidden oceans. Jupiter's might protects us, absorbing threats that could end life. The ice giants, with diamond rain and stormy skies, remind us that even the farthest worlds hold surprises. Here's the lesson from the exploration: curiosity is your superpower. Whether it's a probe diving into Saturn or your own quest for knowledge, never stop asking what's out there. The universe is full of stories waiting for you to uncover. Thanks for joining the exploration on this cosmic quest. Subscribe to our channel for more stories that ignite your curiosity, and tell us in the comments which gas giant inspires you. Until next time, this is the exploration signing off. Keep chasing the stars.